Hey, welcome back. Thanks for joining me on Sacred Enzyme. So I want to show you a couple things. So I've been talking about starting a seed bank, and so these are my okra pods that I've been growing. These are heirloom okras, and I've been growing these and so I can harvest these seeds. And so I'm going to dry these whole pods just like this in the dehydrator and save the seeds inside the womb. So this is how we're going to start saving seeds. We're going to start preparing the seeds with the enzymes. So I want to show you what I did. I decided that we'd go ahead and take this experiment a little bit further, even further with the aloe. Okay, so right here is my avocados that I grew from putrefaction. So if you look down here, I chopped up some of the aloe, put around the base plant, and then this is the unhealthy one. So this is the one just grown from seed. So I put some aloe also down here, so we're going to see how it does with that. And so you remember when we were over here earlier looking at the peppers? Same thing over here with the peppers, where we put the seeds down and where I have some insects. Obviously the insects wouldn't be eating a healthy plant, so there's a problem. I know it's too much water, so we've got to do something about that. But I put the aloe down here in the bottom, so we're going to just kind of let it rot in there and putrefy. And see, I'm so blessed that I have all these aloe plants here. You know, and I even have more than that. And my pineapple top, this is a pineapple that I grew from a top. So this is a top from a top. And then my potatoes are looking really good. I'm actually pretty impressed with how the potatoes are looking. But I want to show you over here. I went ahead and I added some in here to the papayas and the mangoes, and then the oranges down here. And then I also did it to the papayas from our papaya experiment. I didn't do it from the bigger putrefied ones, but the smaller ones that I did from the dehydrated seed pod, I put down here. And then I also added some to amend these peppers that we grew from supermarket seeds. So I'm going to take you over here and I'm going to show you what I also did. I decided to add to the experiment the apple trees. The one that I've grown from seed, putrefaction of an apple, is actually doing better than the store-bought apple tree. Isn't that unbelievable? This right here is an apple that I grew from a putrefied apple, an apple tree. Yeah. And I also amended the soil around the bottom with the aloe. And I also did the same thing to this tree right here. I'm not sure what's going on with it, but it's looking rough. So we're gonna try to save it. And then I'm gonna take you over here and show you my citrus trees, because my Meyer lemon tree has a really bad problem with greening. So I want to show you, these are all my pineapples that I've grown from pineapple tops. So you just get a small pineapple. It's a 1-serving pineapple. Some are bigger, like this one will grow bigger. It's not completely the size that you get in the grocery store, but you know what? It's food. And then I amended the soil down here with the aloe. So I've actually done, I'm going to go through and do that to all of my trees. I've got my peach trees and my loquat trees, and I've got all of my fruit trees, but I've got I got a weed around them. So yeah, I mean, we're gonna try this experiment and see how it goes. We're gonna see if the enzymes are the key. If the enzymes are the key to ending the citrus greening. I think it might be. I think that the plants are just like us. Their enzymes are burnt out and they need some help. So with that, I'm going to end this video, and this is part 4, I think, today. I'm going to clean up my mess and go inside, because it's getting ready to come on down too. But you know what? That's okay, because it's great for growing food. So I hope that you enjoyed a little bit of our experiments, and I'm excited to see how they're going to come out. So when you come looking for me, I'll be here, because we're living in the past, the present, and the future, all at the same time. And you see that dark sky up there? Yeah, we're about to get a downpour, tropical storm, but it is what it is. So make sure you get outside real quick. If you're in the south and you're about to get some rain, get outside real quick, put your feet in the grass, and ground yourself to the earth and give thanks to our Heavenly Father and our earthly mother. And, you know, think about what you can do to step into your purpose. Because we can do this. We can do this. Everybody's got a part. Everybody's got a role to play. So we just got to take care of Mother Earth's enzymes. That's all. Plain and simple. And our enzymes too. So thank you for joining me along in this alchemy gardening journey. And I hope to see you on the next ones. So what do you guys think? Are you willing to do an alchemy garden yourself and try to grow some food for yourself? Are you wanting to get involved in exchanging some seeds? Because I think that's what we're going to have to do. We're going to have to take care of each other and support each other. So I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.